Alright, so in this video I'm going to be replacing the front screen assembly LCD, but with the I'm not actually going to remove the LCD. I'm just going to swap out the motherboard. So it's going to be more like a take apart guide of the Galaxy Note Edge. As you can see, it's kind of cracked over here. So I'm just going to be replacing the whole front screen and frame assembly. Alright, so remove the back cover, SIM card, SD card. With a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to be removing all of these screws. Alright, let's remove the stylus pin. Alright, once you have all the screws removed, we can pry up on this back piece right here, and it'll come right off. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the motherboard and swapping it out with another frame that I have. Remove all the flex cables, the antennas. You can do it just with your fingernail or with the open prying tool. Alright, so there's going to be a flex cable down here that's connected, so we're going to have to lift up the motherboard a little bit with your fingers once all the cables are disconnected, and push down right here so that the flex cable disconnects. There you go. Once that disconnects, you should be able to lift the motherboard up. And the motherboard comes off like that. These right here are the cables for the LCD and digitizer. So if you wanted to remove that, you would just have to heat this up and lift it up. But I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be putting the motherboard on a new frame. Alright, so this is the new LCD and frame that I'm going to be using. And I'm actually changing the color on it too, so it's going to be a white one. And here's the motherboard. So now we're just going to install the motherboard back on. Let's do the top first. Let's remove these cables out of the way. The antennas. Alright. And then once it's positioned correctly, we're just going to give it some pressure right here, so that the cable, the flex cable that's underneath here, will click back in. Alright, with some pressure it does click back on correctly. Alright, so now let's just connect everything back. Alright, so once everything is connected back on there, now we can place the back cover back on and the screws. So let's just give it pressure so the back housing falls back in place, and let's put all these screws back on. Alright, so let's place the battery back on and let's test it out. Alright, so yep, everything does look like it's working correctly. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.